So the traffic has been thick the whole way, and now it's come to a standstill. And we have 5 more miles to go. This is what he does in all of my videos, so I guess he does it in his video too.
What you want me to get tired?
You can yawn and stretch, but you don't have to holler. It's the hollering part.
That's the way to get out the frustration.
Do you want to tell the people what you're doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Folks, right now we're going almost at our destination. I'm going to look at a house for my daughter friend that live in England. She wanted my daughter to do this for her, but my daughter couldn't do it because she got to go to work. So she asked us if we could help her out. I said, okay, we'll help you out in this one.
So they're going to rent the house though?
So they're going to rent a house, but
they want us to be their eyes because sometimes pictures don't tell the 1,000 words, right?
That's right.
So we're going to film and edit and take you guys along for this tour. Right. I think I'm going to like this one because it's on a hill with a beautiful view.
So right now we're in Pasadena. It's in Pasadena. We look at 134, 10. So we're in Pasadena right now. And I can get off in the next 3 miles, 2 to 3 miles.
Hopefully. Hopefully.
It's in Highland Park. And I guess Highland Park now is the next Hollywood or Beverly Hills these days.
You ain't lying.
A lot of stars moving down in that area. And a little house, small little house, maybe, it's really...
The homes in Highland Park are very small.
Right.
My dad's home that he sold a few years ago, that they lived in since 1987, was only 900 square feet. And so, but they're really renovating them nice now with the open concept stuff like that.
But those houses are old. They're like what? 80,
at least 100, right?
100 years old, 90 years old.
My house is 1964. My house was built, and I born 66. So my house is going to be 60 years old. Our house is going to be 60 years old.
These houses are like 100 and something years old. We're going back inside. And you could sit out here and have yourself a nice cold beer. And on top here you could see. You got a okay. Not bad. You guys have a stove. It's just gas, right? Yeah, gas.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a deep cleaning on that.
This young lady cleaning it up, make it look good. Okay, let's go in. Okay, Bob. When you come back and do the pantry. These are the bedroom. This one leads to the backyard. Here's a closet. It's a closet, not bad. It's the other room. Okay. This is the bathroom. It's nice. It's cold. Hey.
I'm going to go ahead and call her.
Okay.
So who am I supposed to call next? Archie?
You got an island right here. They got some deep drawers. This is a nice. Okay. Not bad. And her door's on that side. But it's nice.
What were your first impressions about the house?
It's up a hill.
It's a very steep hill, like the hill my parents' house was located, and where my sister my sister lives next door to where my parents had their home, right?
But it's nice. It's nice when you get up there, because
it's a cul-de-sac, and it's like the second house from the end. So there's no strangers that's gonna really be up there.
Not really.
Right? Only people who are coming to see who lives up there. Okay, so what did you feel about the size? Because you know those homes in Highland Park, they're kind of small.
Well, the house is how much? Like 800?
No, I think that was like 1,000.
Like 1,000? Yeah, you saw the
because the bedrooms were like the same size of our bedroom.
Okay, that's about 1,000 square feet. And I like the house because it got a lot of brightness coming in, a lot of windows in there, and
daylight.
Then
it didn't have vaulted ceilings, but it felt tall because of the light coming in through the windows.
I like the kitchen because they have modern countertop and all that kind of stuff.
It has the quartz, and then that, you see that tile they have on the back? It feels textured, but it was tile. When I touch it, it felt kind of textured, but it was tile. But I feel like it would be hard to clean up the grease spatter off of that textured feeling to it. Almost needs to be glossy. Like, I regret the tile we put behind the stove. It was prettier looking, and it was easier to put than the other harder tile on this side of the wall. But that tile it sucks in all the grease, and it looks discolored, and I constantly have to be cleaning.
This one over here?
No, the one behind the stove. I think if I had a chance, I would rip those off and put this one that's on this side, because that one's smooth. It's easy to clean. Finish up your show, darling.
Yeah, folks, thank you guys again for being here and
don't rock it too much
time with us. And I'm getting ready to make me another mug. If you guys see the mug that I'm making, but this is out of a citrus tree limb trunk.
A branch, right? A trunk. Okay.
It's a branch, but it goes so big.
It's a big branch. Okay.
A big branch. So I'm gonna make me another mug out of this. And if you guys see the first one that I make, but I got the time, so and I got the wood them out there. Some of the wood are just. Because I use them for firewood to burn.
I have somebody to give this mug to.
Who's that?
I think you're gonna like it.
Okay.
Gary.
Okay, yeah.
Gary's gonna like really appreciate that because he's an artist, you know? He can probably sketch something on it too after you give it to him. Yeah. Okay, so you're done?
That's it, folks. And as time goes by, I'll show you how I get into this mug and go from there.
All right, and it's still morning conversation because it's still morning. It's around 10 o'clock in the morning. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye, people.